Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the suspension details so you know what you're fixing. Sign into account. Microsoft. Calm and open the rewards dashboard. Note the exact message. Once done, collect proof. Account email, phone number, dates of recent activity, screenshots, and any payment or redemption ID. Make sure to capture approximate device locations or IPs if available. Keep this evidence in a single folder, so you can reference it quickly when contacting Microsoft support or completing the appeal form. Next, file the appeal with clarity and evidence because that speeds review. Locate the official rewards appeal form from your account support area, fill fields precisely, and use a clear timeline of events. Explain why any flagged actions occurred, admit any genuine mistakes, and state corrective steps you took. Attach screenshots, IP/device details, and redemption receipts. Once submitted, note the case number and expected response window, and prepare to follow up if you don't hear back in the stated timeframe. Finish by proactively following up and troubleshooting so the case moves. If you don't receive a timely reply, contact Microsoft support by chat or phone and provide the case number. Ask for the appeal status and next steps. Wait 7 to 14 days before escalation. If needed, request manager review. If your appeal is denied, ask for specific evidence used in the decision and consider closing and rebuilding a new account only as a last resort. Keep records. This helps in any future disputes or reappeals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.